Welcome to Better Living and the 10 surprising health benefits of garlic. Boosting immune system, lowering blood pressure and more. There is a good reason why garlic is a staple in many homes. This strong-smelling herb has been proven to have many health advantages and has been used for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. Here are 10 reasons why you should include garlic in your diet. Immune system booster. Garlic has a reputation for enhancing immunity and warding off infections. It contains substances with antimicrobial properties, like allicin and ajoin, which can help fight off viruses and bacteria. Reduces blood pressure. It has been demonstrated that garlic can help people with hypertension reduce their blood pressure. This is because it can open up blood vessels, which lowers blood pressure. Garlic can aid in the prevention of heart disease by lowering cholesterol levels, preventing blood clots, and decreasing inflammation. Garlic consumption on a regular basis has been shown to cut the risk of heart disease by up to 25%. Garlic has anti-inflammatory properties that can help lessen inflammation throughout the body. People who suffer from inflammatory diseases like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other conditions may find this helpful. Garlic contains substances that can aid in the body's detoxification and toxin removal. For those with liver and kidney issues, this may be advantageous. Anti-cancer properties. Research has indicated that garlic has anti-cancer properties that may help lower the risk of developing certain types of cancer. Garlic consumption on a regular basis has been linked to a lower risk of stomach, colon, and lung cancer, according to studies. Fights Candida. Research has shown that garlic is effective in battling the yeast infection Candida. Because it can stop Candida albicans from growing, this is the case. Enhances digestion. Garlic has the ability to enhance digestion and lessen bloating, gas, and indigestion symptoms. This is because it can increase the production of enzymes and stomach acid. Enhances skin health. Research has shown that garlic is good for the skin. It can aid in lessening the visibility of wrinkles, age spots, and acne. Improves longevity. Compounds in garlic have the potential to help prevent DNA damage and increase longevity. Garlic regularly consumed can extend life by up to 10%, according to studies. To sum up, garlic is a potent herb that has potential health benefits. It can also detoxify the body, strengthen the immune system, lower blood pressure, ward off heart disease, reduce inflammation, and even fight cancer. Additionally, it can lengthen life and enhance skin health and digestion. For maximum benefit, include garlic frequently in your diet. If you found this article informative and valuable, please share it with your friends and family to spread the word about the many health benefits of garlic.